Yeah. Anything that you want to share?
Mataji, what stories are we doing today?
In extension only. Last week extension, few more stories are there. Krishna Leela. So in another phase of his life, so what are his experiences that Yashoda Maya will be telling us today's story. Two stories about.
Okay.
And one sloka of Bhagavad Gita that we will read in detail. And one Kirtan is there. That's all for today.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, the thing is, like, after you telling the stories every week, I go, there are so many kids. We live like a joint family, right? So I tell
Oh,
those
that's
stories to my kids. They're like literally small kids, like of
okay.
second, third, and first, second, third graders. They are like so much interested
Must
in
be
listening to stories.
yeah. Let's just yes. Yes. Who else are there right now? Advita is there. Harshita is there. Only four of us again.
Mataji, very less. The strength is like every class it's becoming less, but then not increasing. Don't know why.
Maybe because of exams, Exams are going on, no? The students are
Yes.
busy with the preparation. Rest of the days is okay, fine. But
Are
during exam,
getting started. Many exams are left over. English,
Actually,
various.
one girl joined, but then I told that you weren't there. She left and she didn't rejoin at all.
okay, okay. Because the class is at around 12 o'clock. No, I have other works to finish. So I
Yeah.
just took a break. Yeah.
Mataji, can I chant?
Okay. Shall we
Jai
start
Janardana
with
Mataji.
today's class?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji. Mataji, I'm Harshika
Yes.
Mataji. Can I sing Jai Janardana?
Yes, Harshika. Why not?
That's a good
Yes,
song,
Mataji.
actually.
जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिका पते जन विलोचना कृष्ण जन्म मोचना जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिका पते जन विलोचना कृष्ण जन्म मोचना गरुड़ वाहना कृष्ण गोपिका पते नयन मोहना कृष्ण नीरजीक्षणा जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिका पते जन विलोचना कृष्ण जन्म मोचना सुजन बांधवा कृष्ण सुंदराकृते मदन मोह मदन कोमला कृष्ण माधवा हरे वसुमती पति कृष्ण वासवानुज वरगुणाकरा कृष्ण वैष्णवा कृते सुचिरानना कृष्ण शौर्यवारिदे मुरहरा विवो कृष्ण मुक्तिदायका विमलपालका कृष्ण वल्लतीपते कमललोचना कृष्ण काव्यदायका जय जनार्दना कृष्ण राधिका पते जन विलोचना कृष्ण जन्ममोचना विमलगानका कृष्ण भक्तवत्सला चरणपल्लवं कृष्ण करुण कोमलं कुवलईक्षणा कृष्ण कोमला कृते तव पदाङ्गुजं कृष्ण शरणमाश्रये भुवननायका कृष्ण पवननाकृते गुणघनोज्ज्वला कृष्ण नीललोचना प्राणदायका कृष्ण गुणगणकरा दामसोदरा कृष्ण दीनवत्सला जय जनार्दना कृष्णा राधिका पते जनविलोचना कृष्णा जन्ममोचना कामसुन्दरा कृष्णा पाहि सर्वदा नरकनाशना कृष्णा नरसहायका देवकी सुता कृष्ण कारुण्याङ्कुधे कंसनाशना कृष्णा द्वारकास्थिता पवनमात्मका कृष्णा देहि मङ्गलम् तव पदाम्बुजं कृष्णा स्वयमलोकं कोमलं भक्तवत्सला कृष्णा काव्यदायका पालिसेन्नुनु कृष्णा श्रीहरि नमो जय जनार्दना कृष्णा राधिका पते जनविलोचना कृष्णा जन्ममोचना हरे कृष्णा माताजी
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Hare
माताजी
Krishna.
can I chant pranam mantras
Yes, please start the pranam mantras.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले श्रीमति भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी इति नामिनी नमस्ते सरस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष सूर्यवादी वशतदशतारिणी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा माता जी
Hare Krishna.
Mataji,
Yes,
can I sing pranam mantra?
yes.
Yes, Mataji. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnanachilakaya Chakshurunmilitam Deye Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadita Swara Padartikam Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pashtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namini नमस्ते सरस्वती गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यकारिणे अशत दशचारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण माता
Hare Krishna, Advita. Yes,
मैम माता जी
yes.
whose birthday is it मैम
It was my daughter's birthday last month. Today
okay
I don't have a computer, some Wi-Fi issue, so I'm doing it in my phone.
okay माता जी
Yeah, that's my different place. Is it visible now?
Yes, Mataji. I guess you can like zoom in a little because
You,
if you are in
you can
computer
see it from
system.
the outside also.
small
Mataji, can you zoom in a little?
Mataji, can you zoom the screen a little bit?
You can do it from your side also. You can zoom. Is it visible now?
Mataji, now it's clear.
Mataji, not from, like, it's not visible. I guess you can send me the slides. I'll just share the screen if possible.
Okay, I'll just share you.
Okay, Mataji.
I'll. Yes, I shared with you. Akshaya?
Mataji, just give me 2 minutes. I'll just share it, okay?
Yeah. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपाय तदा मह्यं ददान्ति स्वपदान्तिकं। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी अशतदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा अक्षया।
Yes, Mataji. I am just sharing the screen. I just shared the screen, I guess. Could you see it?
Yeah.
Can
Yes,
you see it, Mataji?
yeah, you can go to the next page.
Yes, Mataji. 1 second. Could you see it right now, Mataji?
Yes.
Should I start reading or will someone else?
Please start reading.
Krishna Laila. Mother Yashoda sees amazing things. Mother Yashoda was nursing a child and opened his mouth with her fingers. She suddenly saw something really wonderful in his mouth. She saw in Krishna's mouth the whole sky, the stars in all directions. The sun, moon, fire, air, seas, islands, mountains, river, forests. Heartbeat began to beat quickly. How amazing is this? She could not even say anything but simply closed her eyes, thinking wonderful thoughts. One day, Vasudeva asked his family priest, Garga Muni, to visit the home of Nanda Maharaj to hold a secret name giving ceremony. No one was supposed to know that baby Krishna was living there because the demonic king Kamsa would come and try to kill him. Gargamuni told Nanda Maharaj, Roni's son will be called Rama because he will be very pleasing to the family. He will also be called Balram because he will be very strong. The other boy is really Devaki's son and will be called Krishna by some and Vasudeva by others. While Krishna is in Vrindavana, everyone will be happy and safe. This child will grow in power, beauty, and opulence in everything, just as the supreme personality of Godhead. Therefore, protect him very carefully so he grows up without disturbance. Both Krishna and Balram used to crawl on their hands and knees. Sometimes these naughty babies crawled into the cowshed and held onto the tails of calves who would run with them here and there, over clay and cow dung. To see this fun, Mother Yashoda and Mother Rohini would call all the neighbors and friends, the gopis, and laugh very loudly. Soon, when Krishna and Balrama could walk around, the other old gopis began to complain to Yashoda. Your naughty Krishna comes to our house along with Balram every morning. And before we milk the cows, they let the calves loose to drink all the milk from the cows. And we can get no milk from them. If Krishna and Balrama, they simply smile charmingly. We catch them stealing yogurt and butter and then they give it all away to the monkeys. When the monkeys are full, your boys break the pots and throw him hither and thither. If we keep our yogurt and butter too high hanging on a swing from the ceiling, they arrange to reach it by piling up all kinds of wooden boxes. And if they cannot get it, they make a hole in the pot even without the bangles and sparkling jewels. They can see everything in the darkness just from the bright light shining from their bodies. What a list. Okay, questions. Mataji, should I continue with the second one or will you explain?
Mataji, you are muted, Mataji.
Mataji?
Ma'am, Mataji, you are muted, Mataji. Unmute yourself.
Okay. So
First
can
story is done. Will you explain or should I continue with the second one? I'm just asking.
yeah, that's what. See, they will go to Narad Muni and they will ask. We wanted to do a naming ceremony of the Krishna, but that too in a very secrecy. Why? Because his life is a threat in the hands of Kamsa the demon. Of course, nobody can kill God, but they were like very apprehensive. He's such a small child already. His life was at rest. That's why he's been brought to Vrindavan and all. So they will arrange for a small naming ceremony. So the Rohini's son will be named as Rama because he's very pious and good person. He is Balarama, and Krishna, Devaki's son will be named as Krishna. Okay, so they were so cute that they always make their place of play, and they used to crawl around and play with the in the cowherd areas. And when they grew up as toddler and all, and so they started stealing butter just to feed the monkeys. So when those are done, then the neighbors would complain every day, like, see, your kids are coming, your Krishna and Balarama are coming every day to our place and stealing the butter. And Yashoda Maya would be, she denies that. She says, I have enough butter in my house. So what is the need for my son to come to your house and steal the butter? So, but there is a story behind this. Hope you remembered. I told you about this in the Bhagavad Gita class. Yes, that we will come to know next. Okay, so that's what happens.
Mataji, I'm Harshika Mataji. Can I read?
Yes, you can read next. Okay,
Yes,
so
Mataji.
so they have complained that both your kids are stealing the butter from our place. So what Yashoda Maya does, we will come to know next. So before that also, in the first, you can scroll the second slide, Ma Akshaya.
This slide, the Krishna opens his mouth. We didn't read this one.
No. Before that, first slide.
Okay, Mataji. This slide or the previous one?
Previous one. Yes. So here, Mother Yashoda sees amazing things. Mother Yashoda was nursing her child and opened his mouth with her fingers. See, we all know that somebody complained that your son is eating the mud and all. Then Yashoda Maya will be annoyed and she will ask Krishna to open his mouth. That story we know, but this one nobody knows that. So what is that? See, when she was nursing him and feeding him, she suddenly opened his mouth with her fingers and she saw all really wonderful in his mouth. What did she saw? That Krishna mouth is the whole sky, like Ananta Koti Brahmanda, and the stars in all directions, the sun, moon, fire, air, seas, everything, what not, which is existing on the earth, everything is there. That your islands, mountain, river, forest. Then quickly her heart began to beat quickly. Like, what is this? So somewhere again she is under a maya that she is the mother of Krishna. She has seen that, but she has forgotten again. But somewhere in the back end of her subconscious mind, it is there. This is not humanly possible for any child to be like the whole universe is existing in him. So she'll just keep that to herself and she'll close her eyes and having a wonderful thought about feeding the Krishna. Yeah. Next.
One day, Vasudeva asked his family priest,
No, wait. We have to read second one. Krishna opened his mouth.
Krishna opens his mouth. One day, all the boys joined Balarama and told Mother Yashoda that Krishna had been eating clay. Mother Yashoda caught Krishna's hand and said, "My dear Krishna, is this true? Have you been eating dirt?" Krishna said, "Balarama and my friends are speaking lies against me. I have not eaten any dirt. If you think they are telling the lie,
Telling the truth.
telling the lie, telling the truth, telling the truth, then please look in my mouth and say for yourself." He opened his mouth for her, just like a good boy. Then Mother Yashoda saw the most wonderful things inside that mouth. She saw mountains, islands, oceans, seas, planets, air, fire, moon, stars, and the whole universe and the outer space in all the directions. And the rye in his mouth. She also saw herself with Krishna on her lap, drinking milk. She thought, is this really happening or I am dreaming? Then, confused, she simply thought of Krishna as her own child in her lap. She hugged him and gave him a big kiss.
Yeah. Next, anybody else can read it? Thank you.
Can I read, Machaji?
Yes, Advita.
Once upon a time, two demigods named Nal, Nal,
Nalakuvara.
Nalakuvara
And Manigriva.
and Marigriva went into Lord Shiva.
Shiva garden.
Shiva God next to the Mardikin
Mandakini river.
River.
Mardaniki river. They drank a lot and listened to the woman singing there. Then they all went into Grand River full of lotus flowers and enjoyed themselves, just like elephants splashing in water. Suddenly, the great sage Narada
Narada Muni.
Narada Muni happened to come that way. The two demigod sons of Nurvara did not even cover their naked bodies properly, nor did they pay their respectful ob, ob,
Obeisances to him.
obeisance to him to teach them a lesson. Narada turned them into trees and garden of Narada
Maharaj.
Maharaj Mah- Maha- Maharaja. After many years of living as trees, they would see Krishna's face to face and be
Good
Good devotees of Lord
good
Krishna.
devotees of Lord Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Advita. So here we have two stories. One story where Balarama along with his friends, they will go and complain to Yashodamaya again. See, your son Krishna is eating mud and all. See, I am being a doctor, I'll tell you. So whosoever is eating mud, clay or slate pencil, they are all anemic patients, you know. That is a clinical finding that hemoglobin is low for them. Of course, here we are learning and reading about the Krishna Leela. Here the scenario is different. So, upon hearing Yashoda Maya, she'll be total, I am just feeding my son very nicely. What is the need for him to have a mud? Maybe they're not telling the truth. Maybe they are lying. But still, she wanted to find out herself, like what exactly is happening with Krishna. So she will catch hold Krishna and say, "What's happening, beta? Is it true that you are eating the mud?" So he says, "Yes, ma." No, he said. Then she says, "Now you please open your mouth and show me. I just wanted to check it myself." So when Krishna opened the mouth, she will see the same as described in our previous slides. So the same Anantakoti Brahmanda, your mountains, your river, your forest, whatnot, everything. So she will be astonished. Like, is it not the same thing? What I have seen when I was nursing Krishna when he was a little boy. So she will be like, but she will keep that to herself. Is this something like a Maya? Is this the same thing what I have, or am I dreaming? Why this coincidence has happened for me twice? So, but still she says, okay, nothing happened, Krishna. I just love you better. And she will take Krishna near him and she will give him a big hug and kiss him. Okay. And the next story is when this is one story. Actually, who are this? Nalakuvara and Managriva. These two are sons of Lord Kubera. Kubera, you all know, no? He is the wealthiest god. Yeah. So
They are so proud of their rich. So
there is a big story behind that. That we
Muni
will.
Narada gave them a sharp to become as a trees. So they became
No,
trees
these
many
two
years.
people, Nalakuvara and Manigrivya, are sons of Lord Kubera actually. So since the father is very rich, they are filthy rich actually. They have all things which is required for them to survive. So and they also likewise they have forgotten their responsibility. They started enjoying their life to an extent. One day they were just uh, they have they are in a drunkard state. They drank a lot and they were listening to the women who were singing there. And they are, so they went to river Ganga, which we feel is very pious. It's full of lotus flowers. So they were just like an elephant which go around in the water and splashes snow. So similar to that elephant, these people are just, they have forgotten themselves that they are even naked. So they have forgotten that Narad Muni is just surpassing them. So he got Narad Muni thought like, see, filthy rich means it doesn't mean that you should forget everything and all. You don't even see the pious person who is passing by you. So you are so much so entrenched in this material world. To teach him a lesson, he will curse them to become a trees. So these two people will become as a trees in the courtyard, like of what do you say, Nanda Maharaj. Okay. So in the backyard of Nanda Maharaj, these two people will remain as a tree. So what will happen to these people, we will come to know next. Yes. Yes.
Should
Who wants-
I?
Yeah, Akshaya.
One fine morning, 36,000 years later, Mother Yashoda was making butter. Krishna climbed into their lap to drink her breast milk. She smiled, enjoying the beauty of his face. Suddenly, she remembered the milk on the stove in the kitchen, which was about to boil over. Quickly, she put Krishna down on the ground and ran to the kitchen to take the milk off the fire. Krishna had not finished drinking and was very angry, with red eyes and false tears. He broke the butter pot and took the butter away to eat nicely in a quiet corner all by himself. Mother Yashoda came back from the kitchen and saw the broken pot, but did not see Krishna. After looking all over, she found a naughty little son taking more butter from a swing she had hung from the ceiling. By this time, he was all covered with butter he had eaten and was feeding the rest to the monkeys. Krishna was looking this was and that in fear of being caught. Yashoda came with a stick and he ran very quickly. She chased him to all corners of the house in the yard. When she finally caught him, she started to tie his hands together with a rope, but it was a little too short, by 2 inches. She got more rope from the house and added to it, but found it was still not enough. She got more and more rope, but each time she tried to tie the last knot, she saw it was always about 2 inches short. How was this happening? She became so tired of doing this again and again. Then Krishna finally let her tie him up with her rope without playing any more tricks. She left him tied up to the mortar and went inside the house to finish her work. Krishna thought to himself, Mother Yashoda first put me without feeding me enough milk. I broke the pot of yogurt and butter, which I gave in charity to the monkeys. And then she tied me up to the wooden mortar. I shall have some fun and do something even more naughty than before. He had his eye on 2 very tall Arjuna trees in the yard, and he just thought of breaking down those 2 very tall Arjuna trees. Little Krishna, dragging along the wooden mortar behind him, crawled straight through the trees. But the large wooden mortar turned into crosswise and got stuck between. Still, Krishna pulled and pulled the rope until the 2 trees fell down with a big sound. Crash! Out of the broken fallen trees came 2 beautiful demigods, Manigriva and Nalakuvara, shining like fire. At once they bowed down to baby Krishna to offer the prayers.
Yeah.
Lord Krishna, who was still tied to the wooden mortar by the ropes of Mother Yashoda, began to smile and said, You are very lucky. The great devotee Narada Muni blessed you with pure love for me. So this is your last time in the material world. Now you may go back to your father's house in the heavenly planets, where you will do devotional service to me and go back to Godhead in his very lifetime. They bowed down once again, and after walking around their beloved Lord, then they left for their home. All the while, the Lord was still tied up with ropes. By the time all the people from Gokula Vrindavan came running to see what had happened, the small children playing there said to everyone, Krishna came straight through the 2 trees and wooden mortar got stuck in between. Krishna just pulled and pulled the rope until the trees finally fell down. Two very dazzling bright men came out of the trees and began to talk to Krishna. Nanda Maharaj just smiled and untied his wonderful child. Should I
So,
read
Mataji,
this
can I read, Mataji?
Just a minute. I'll tell you the gist. So what happens after this Krishna eating the mud story? That is another thing. Second time is like Yashoda Maya will be feeding the Lord Krishna. So suddenly she'll remember, like, oh, I have put a milk on the stove. Sometimes happen, no, even to us it will happen. So she remember and she'll keep the Krishna down and she'll run to the kitchen just to put off the milk. But meanwhile, Krishna was damn hungry. So what he'll do is he'll take the yogurt, he'll take the butter, and he will eat how much ever he wants to eat, and rest he will give in charity to the monkeys. So by the time Yashoda Maya is back from the kitchen, he smeared himself enough with the butter, and she got very angry with him. Then Krishna thought, yes, my mother now she's not going to leave me for this act. Definitely, I need to escape now. She will be running behind him. Hey Krishna, wait, what did you did with yourself, and why did you uh, made yourself smeared with butter and all, and why are you giving in charity to the monkeys? So she start questioning him. Anyhow, she will be running behind him to catch hold him. He will make her run around for some time. At last, he thought, okay, my mother, she got tired. It's not wise on my part that I'm making her run around. So he will get surrendered to to his mother. So once Yashoda Maya catch hold Krishna, what she will do is, she said, I just wanted to teach you a lesson so that from next time onwards, just like any other mother, she says, no, I wanted to teach you a lesson. So I will be tying you to the motor and you'll be there in the backyard. So Krishna says, okay. What she does is she'll get a rope. She get enough rope only, to tie Krishna to that motor. But it is all Yoga Maya, again they say. So when she's trying to tie Krishna to that motor, the rope somehow it was getting less by 2 inches. How much ever she's trying to disrobe it, again trying to put a rope around him, it was getting less by 2 inches. So
Every time. And
yeah,
she is tired of doing that.
yeah, then Krishna says, "Ki, what's this happening? Okay, I think my mother is dead. It is enough that I should not trouble her. So it is high time I surrender her to her. I surrender to her. So like that, at last he will get tied to that motor and he says, let me have more fun than what I have did by eating butter and giving it in charity to monkeys and all. So what he'll do is, okay, he will go near two trees, two tall Arjuna trees, and he'll get stuck between those trees. And who are those two tall trees? Those are nothing but Nalakuvara and Manigriva, who have been cursed by Lord Narada. So the moment Krishna goes there and he gets stuck between the two trees, out of whatever the past good karmas they have done, they get relieved of their uh, what do you say, relieved from their tree to their original form of Devata. So they'll be, uh, see the pictures here, it is showing golden, lustrous, like nice, beautiful bodies. They got what they were in before. Then they will remember their mistakes, what they did in the past, and they will say, we are extremely sorry, but at the same time, we are very happy that we got relieved by you. Krishna will just smile at them. So this is one indication that Krishna is a divine personality. Is it or not? Any child, if they are stuck up like that, if they hit by or some trees or anything, they won't turn into the devatas. So that is one more indication in the Krishna Leela that we are dealing with the Supreme Personality of the Lordhead. So after those people get their original bodies, they leave to the heaven and they will become the devotees of Lord Krishna. Before that, they will offer the special obeisances to the Lord Krishna and leave the place. Meanwhile, likewise, everybody in the Vrindavan, they will come and say what happening, what happened to this child and all. So they will see those two trees which are turning into two different persons, and his father also will come there. Nanda Maharaj will see that and just give a smile, and he will adore his beautiful child, and they will pass away from that place. Yes.
Should I
Mataji?
read the thing in the box, Mataji?
Yes, Akshaya, you read that in the box.
Lord Krishna came as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years ago and distributed this chanting of Hare Krishna mantra to everyone. This process of chanting is very easy and everyone can take part in it, whether young or old, man or woman, rich or poor, religious or sinful. Even if one is leading a very sinful life, one can chant this mantra and can be purified very quickly. That is why it is called the Pavitram or pure. When person starts chanting this mantra, all the seeds of reactions that one has to suffer because of one sinful acts in this life or previous lives are completely nullified. Just as the fire turns whatever we put into it to ashes, the chanting of Hare Krishna, which is so powerful and pure, can turn to ashes all the sinful reactions.
Yeah. So despite what we have done in the past,
Reactions of the past.
we are doing in the regular chanting of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. So all our previous sins will be eliminated. At the same time, the positive vibes start coming, and we will be improving in our devotion service. And we are taking steps towards going into the Krishna consciousness. Yes. Next.
Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
Mataji?
Yes. Yes. Please.
Yes, Mataji.
One can read the sloka and one can read the translation, and one will read the explanation. Is it okay?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, who will read the sloka? Okay, I will read sloka. Translation and explanation.
Mataji, I'll translate. I'll do translation.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूता भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Synonyms, one of you read please.
Should I read it if none has want
Yes.
to read? Na means never. Jayate takes birth. Mrityet never dies. Ba either. Kadasit at any time. Past, present or future. Na never. Ayam this. Bhutva came into being. Bhavita will come to be. Ba or na not. Buyat or has coming to be. Aja unborn. Nitya eternal. Saswatha permanent. Ayam this. Purana the oldest. Na never. Hanyate is killed. Hanyaman being killed. Sarir by the body.
Yeah. Translation. Yes, Harshita. Harshika.
I guess she's not ready for the translation.
Translation. Soul, there is neither birth nor death. At any time, he has not come to being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, ever existing, and immovable. He is not slain. Mataji, should I read explanation also?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
No, we can give
Explanation.
mother. So I think I should be waiting. Yes.
Mataji,
Mataji, I will read Mataji. Explanation.
Explain.
Yeah. Sai Prajit, please read.
Everybody has to go through birth and death. Someone inborn keeps growing, remain like that. A while as a children keep growing old and then finally dies. But the solution which is in the body never dies. It is always living, never grows old. This is because it has the same quality as Krishna, because it is a part of Krishna who is
Eternal.
eternal. Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
The solution settled in the
Soul.
heart of every life thing and given energy to the whole body. That is why, even if we cannot see the solution, we know it is there in the heart of everyone.
Hare Krishna.
Where
Solution, it is soul.
soul. Soul, we know it is there in the heart of everyone. Where we see that a person or even an animal is alive, consciousness, just like on a clouds day, we cannot see the sun, but we know that the sun is behind the clouds, because we can see some little light coming through the clouds. The soul has same quality as a god, but it is very tiny, so that is why it cannot why it can something forget is true nature of begin part of Krishna, but Krishna is supreme soul or
Paramatma.
Paramatma who lives one's heart, and he cannot forget who is real are. So a solution like Arjun who wants to know about his truth,
So is soul
about
is Arjuna, not solution.
so like Arjuna, so wants to know about his truth. Spiritual nature should hear from Krishna or his
Representative.
representative, the Guru.
Yeah, the meaning of that sloka is that, see, the soul is eternal. Only the body take birth, it will undergo different changes and it will perish. But soul has got nothing to do. It doesn't need any rest, it doesn't need any decoration, it doesn't need any material things.
The
So,
soul never dies.
yeah. So it is ever eternal, because ultimate thing it has to go back to his father, that is Paramatma, the supreme personality of the Godhead. So here he's telling like Arjuna is such a good soul. So to enhance his true spiritual nature, you should hear from Krishna or his representative. That's what is being told here. So now we'll move on to the next. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So this is a small pranama.
Mataji, I know this. Can I sing?
Yes, please, Akshaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya Praladaya Nanaraye हिरण्याकाशिपूर्वक्षः शिलतङ्कानकालाये इतो नरसिंहा परतो नरसिंहा यतो यामि ततो नरसिंहा बहिर्नरसिंहा हृदये नरसिंहा नरसिंहमद्यं शरणं प्रदये तव करकमलवरनकम्. What's this, Mataji? Yuktasringam Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringam Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare.
You read the meaning of that, or anybody else wanted to read the meaning? We can give them the chance.
Mataji, can I read?
Yes, Advita.
Okay, Mataji. I offer my
Obeisance.
obeisance to Lord Narasimha,
Narasimha.
who gives joy to
Prahlad Maharaj.
Prahlad Maharaj, whose nails are like chisels on the stone, like chest of the demon
Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu. Lord
Narsimha.
Lord Narasimha is here and also there. Wherever I go, Lord Narasimha is there. He is in the heart, is outside as well. I surrender to Lord Narasimha. I the origin of all things and the supreme
Refuge.
O
Keshava.
O Keshava, O Lord of the universe, O Lord Hari, who have assumed the form assumed the form of half man, half lion. All glorious to you, just as one can easily crush a wasp between one fingernails. So in the same way, the body of the wasp, like demon Hiranyakashipu, has been ripped apart by the wonderful pointed nail on your beautiful lotus hand. This verse informs Sri
Daspatara Stotra, the Gita Govinda, written by Jayadeva Goswami.
So just go down, Akshaya. Just
Yes, Mataji.
No, not this. This is all activity. Up. I mean to say Narasimha. No, that Narasimha.
This thing?
Yeah. Narasimha Pranam. So I offer my obeisances to Lord Narasimha, who gives joy to Prahlad Maharaj and whose nails are like a chisel on the stone, like a chest of the...
Chisels are like sharp things, right?
Yeah. So which will, so he will be just, what do you say? He cut open his chest, no? Hiranyakashipu. So here his nails are compared to the chisels on the stone like the chest of a demon Hiranyakashipu. Lord Narsimha is here and also there. Wherever I go, Lord Narsimha is there. He is in the heart in and is outside as well. So yeah, I surrender to Lord Narsimha, the origin supreme refuse. Who is Lord Narsimha here again? The supreme personality
Lord
of
Vishnu.
Lord
Lord
Vishnu.
Vishnu is in form of
Lord Narasimha.
Narsimha
Yeah.
because
So Keshava,
Hiranyakashipu
Lord of universe, O Hari,
said
who
that
have come in the form of half man, half lion, the glories of you, just as one can easily crush a vase between two fingernails. It's in the same way. Your body of the vast like a demon Hiranyakashipu is been ripped by him with a powerful pointed nails on your beautiful lotus hands. So who is having lotus hand here?
Narasimham.
Again, supreme
Lord.
personality of the
Lord.
Godhead.
Lord Narasimha.
Yeah. So this has been taken from Dashavatara Sutra, Gita Govinda. Okay. So this is the end of today's class. Yeah. Shall I take questions or you will do the activity and post it in the group?
We'll
Mataji
take
will
questions. We can do this at home. We'll take questions, Mataji.
Yeah. You can go.
Mataji will do both of them.
Activity you people have to do at home. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
So
Yeah, Mataji.
go down.
Mataji, I know Prahlad Maharaj story, Mataji, full story.
Yeah. That we will read it
I
in
have seen Mataji.
That's nice. So we'll start with the question and answer session. Why was Krishna's name giving ceremony held secretly?
Because if Kamsa demon knows, no, he can kill Lord Krishna.
So they were like apprehensive about his child. Okay, who named Krishna and Balarama?
One. Vasudeva,
Gargamuni.
Gargamuni.
Kardamuni.
Garga. Okay. Next.
Muni.
Yeah. Who is Rohini's son?
Balram.
Balaram.
What is the
Balram.
name?
Strong
Mataji,
person.
his name-
Strong.
Strong
Balram.
person.
Name, it is
What is
meant
the family?
because
Please tell.
he is so strong.
Yeah.
He is strong. So his name is Balaram. So they may
Yeah.
name them.
What did the family priest tell Nanda Maharaj about Krishna's future?
Ma'am, I guess that one. So
Yes.
they told like everyone will be happy and safe.
This
in
child
Vrindavan.
will power, beauty, and opulences in everything, just as a supreme personality of the Godhead. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Next.
What naughty things did Krishna and Balrama do while crawling as babies?
Yes.
Mataji,
They
Mataji,
crawled into a cow
they
shed.
crawled cow shed and they removed the ties of the calves and they let them go to their mummies and drink milk from them.
Yeah.
And
These are
still
naughty
butter,
things they had
Mataji.
done.
Still butter and milk.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Butter and milk
They
while
used to hold the tail of the calves and run.
and Mataji also they would in the ceiling if the butter or the yogurt is tied to the ceiling they'll keep the wooden yes if they can't reach they'll throw
They'll-
stones and drink from
Yeah. So, what list of complaints did the gopis make to Mother Yashoda against Krishna and Balram?
They are
Mataji,
stealing in our
Mataji
home
they are stealing
They
curd and
yogurt
curd and butter
hanging
and-
from the street
and
from
yogurt.
the ceiling.
As well as like they have also complained along with Balrama that your son is eating mud. Is it or not?
Yes.
yes Mataji Krishna
And
is
they are
eating mud and Balarama is not eating mud Balarama and went to Mother Yashoda and said
Yes.
your son Krishna is eating clay.
Next.
What more things did Mother Yashoda see in Krishna's mouth this time?
Fire, universe,
Fire,
whole
universe, star,
stars, moon,
moons,
fire,
Iceland,
Rivers,
oceans,
oceans,
scenes,
mountains,
mountains,
saints, and
islands,
universe.
everything which is
air,
available
fire,
in
moon,
nature.
stars,
All.
planets, all of them.
Everything available in nature.
Yeah. Next.
Nature
And
thing.
also the outer space.
Yes.
Yes.
Why did Narada Muni turn Nalakuvara and Manigriva into trees?
Because they both
With
had drunk and saw
And they were naked in the lake.
No, they were they are totally caught in that Maya. They have forgotten that a pious person is passing by. So it is not wise on our part where the women are there behind. We shouldn't be staying naked or doing some things which is unobjectionable. So the wealth has made them blind actually. They have forgotten the basic decency of a human being. So that really irritated Narad Muni and he has cursed them to become a trees. In the,
Trees.
in the backyard of Nanda Maharaj.
Why did Krishna break the butter pot in anger? Because
Mataji, Krishna was hungry and
and Mother Yashoda left her
kept him
because
down,
he would need to off
and
the
went
stove.
to the stove and took out it. Krishna
Yeah.
was very angry. He broke the butter pot and ate it. Ate the butter from it. He
Yeah.
stole
Why
it
did Mother Yashoda chase Krishna with a stick?
Yes.
Because
he
he put butter all over himself.
poured the
He ate
butter
all the butter
all over and he was
and gave the
leading
butter
the
to the
monkeys to
charity
rest.
for monkeys.
One by one. Yes.
He gave butter in charity for the monkeys.
And also broke the pot of the butter, ran. His mother was so angry because of that.
Why did Mother Yashoda became tired when she tried to Krishna?
Mataji, because Krishna had done a
When
big
Mother
mistake.
Yashoda was tying the rope to Krishna, he is making it 2-inch small every time, and she got very tired of bringing the extra rope to tie.
He's getting a lot of rope from the home, but she is not able to.
Yeah.
How was she finally able to tie him? Because Krishna himself surrendered Mother Yashoda because he thought that making his mother tired is not good of his part. So he surrendered himself.
Yeah.
Why did Krishna want to break down the two Arjuna trees?
Because he want to get free from the wooden mortar.
Mortar. How did he do this?
Mortar stuck in the between of the two long Arjuna trees, and the both trees crashed down.
Yes.
What blessings did Krishna give Nalakura and Manigriva? He blessed them, he forgave them both and allowed him to go in his father's place in the with demigods.
Next. I think we are done. What is this
There's
question?
questions. What happens
What
to any living thing after it is born?
Yes. Very interesting question.
What happens? The body grows and becomes big.
Body grows up and we die, but the soul doesn't die.
Yes. What happens to the soul?
It doesn't die,
The soul
Mataji.
takes another body.
Why does the soul never get? Why does the soul never get old?
Mataji, because
It is never born.
Born, so
Yes.
doesn't get.
Eternal, no. It is eternal. Soul is eternal. Only the body is born, and you will
Yes.
have that all stages of development in the body, which is
It's
very
just like we're wearing clothes, taking the clothes out and wearing fresh clothes tomorrow.
yeah.
What happens to this soul?
That
This
is-
soul goes to the
Going over.
Paramatma
Yes.
after it leaves the body. Why does the
Why
soul
does
day.
soul never
get
One
old?
day.
get old?
Because soul never has life and death. Birth and death, it never gets old.
It is only to the body. Yes. Next.
On a cloud day, how do we know that the sun is there even if we cannot see sun?
Please tell me.
Mataji, because we gain light, we can see light. Even though it's very cloudy, we can see the light in the morning hours. So we can tell the sun is there.
How can we understand that we are the soul even though we cannot see the soul?
Please tell me.
This is like a little difficult question.
Not difficult. See, inside you there is a voice which will tell you, read it louder, read it now. So whatever action which is initiated from inside, no, the soul is directing the body to do it.
Oh,
But we
Yeah,
see exactly the person who is directing us from inside. Is it or not?
that's the soul.
Yeah.
Yes.
If
If-
we are the same
Yeah,
quality
that's-
as Krishna, why do we forget him?
Because we
Because
are
we are in this material world, we are addicted to things. We forget Lord Krishna and the material Maya.
no, we are human beings. See, Arjuna was born whenever the Krishna was born. Krishna was there. But Krishna remembers what happened from beginning till now. But Arjuna, he forgets it. Is it or not? So that is the quality of a human being. He can only remember things which is there for that particular period of time.
how can we again come to know about our spiritual nature?
Do we come to know what is spiritual nature?
Slowly,
Like we'll get to know what we are doing. If we are doing wrong, our soul tells us this is wrong, we are doing wrong. By that we can know our spiritual nature, that we are cruel or we are good to others or something. So done, Mataji, for today.
Hare Krishna. All of you, thank you so much for joining. Now, slow and fast, but it's done very well. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Yes. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mataji.
कृपा सिंधु पतितान पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. हरे हरे कृष्णा.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा.